MrMomsRacing.
Holy cow, we got tire fire! Hope you got your backside to the trackside. We got here, Mr. Mom Joe.
We've got 6 generations of Honda Civic.
3 manufacturers. Johnny Lightning, Hot Wheels, and Matchbox. What do you say, Mr. Mom Joe?
Let's do this.
Yeah! Check out Grandpa's Gen 1 Civic. Just need to put some flames on it now. These two up next. Johnny Lightning still getting it done. Moving on to the next round. Gen 6 brandy spanking new Hot Wheels Honda Civic going up against, I believe, the Gen 10 Honda Civic Type R. New guys out. Type R. Moving on. Up next, Type R versus Grandpa's Hot Rod Civic. Winner of these two take on the Mr. Mom Veteran. Grandpa's flamed out Civic going home. Up next, Mr. Mom's Veteran versus Type R. See you guys at the starting line. All the way straight from a McDonald's Happy Meal. Oh boy.
Oh yeah. We got the Honda Civic covered in fry grease.
Oh boy. What do you say?
Let's get these things racked.
Do it.
thought we were all done. Happy Meal got it done. Woo! And don't forget to check out Mr. Ron Joe's old veteran from a couple years ago. Okay, guys. Till next time, Mr. Mom's Racing. We are over and out. Mr. Mom's Racing. I think I didn't get it. That's a wrap.